Hi, my name is Brian Jorgenson, and I'm the co-owner and co-founder of Timberline Helicopters. We're a utility helicopter operator based in northern Idaho. At Timberline Helicopters, our mission is to move heavy objects for our clients. To achieve that mission requires a team of dedicated professionals, and that team has grown to include over 100 people that maintain and operate our helicopters around the world. At Timberline, our core competency has always been medium to heavy lift helicopter operations. So beginning in 2004, as a helicopter logging company, now most of our operations are ski lift, power line construction, and firefighting. Everything we do has this goal in mind, including adding aircraft to the fleet to support our heavy lift helicopters and designing and modifying the helicopters to make them better suit their purpose. Our experience at Timberline includes all facets of power line construction, from the simple pole set all the way through to major 500 kV construction projects, including foundation work from pouring concrete to the end of the job, stringing the wire, hanging the marker balls. We've worked diligently to achieve approval from many of the major utility companies in the western United States, including San Diego Gas and Electric, Southern California Edison, and Pacific Gas and Electric. These approvals allow us to support our customers on a multitude of projects. In 2007, we started to grow our capability into other types of work and began building ski lifts. Since then, we've built more ski lifts in the western United States than all of our competitors combined. And in 2018, we expanded that and began work in Australia, where we've completed 3 projects to date. Often we consult with the ski lift building companies prior to the lift even being designed to ensure that the contemplated weights can be lifted safely and efficiently at the altitudes where ski lifts are installed. But we also endeavor to keep one helicopter available for construction companies throughout the summer months in the United States, when many of our competitors shift to a firefighting focus. This ensures that our clients can get the projects done in a timely manner. Timberline was founded as a helicopter logging company. Since then, we've flown thousands of hours extracting timber from inaccessible and environmentally sensitive sites. As the population grows and moves further into the wildland-urban interface, helicopter logging has become a preferred method for reducing the fuel load. We've completed these types of projects from Washington State to West Virginia and California. We also have provided help in the administration and setup of these projects to ensure that the project is feasible from a helicopter standpoint. To control log quality and ensure high yield from each stand of timber, we're the last stump-to-truck helicopter logger in the United States. Each summer in the Northern Hemisphere, Timberline provides helicopters to state and local governments to assist in wildland firefighting. And additionally, in 2020, we began operations in Indonesia. In the Southern Hemisphere summer, we provide aircraft in Australia and Chile for the same types of operations. Using appropriately sized power-filled buckets and motivated crews, Timberline is often able to bring more water to the fire than larger aircraft and at a cheaper cost per gallon. When operating in these diverse fields, our fleet averages over 4,000 hours, and we understand that for our customers, dispatch availability and reliability are key points. To maintain that reliability, our helicopters are always accompanied in the field by a mechanic to handle routine servicing and any other maintenance issues that may arise. Our support team in the hangar is also available to travel anywhere in the world to help deal with unexpected issues. Each aircraft is also dispatched with a support trailer containing an extensive inventory of parts hand-picked from our experience operating these helicopters to ensure that we have what we need when we need it. Additionally, we maintain an extensive spares inventory in our hangar that's available to be shipped worldwide 365 days a year. Having this inventory means we're not waiting on vendors to supply the parts that we need to operate. Using the knowledge, skills, and inventory that we've built, Timberline also offers helicopter refurbishment, avionics, and paint work. In addition, we offer restricted category type certification for the UH-60 Blackhawk under our own type certificate. These services are currently operated by our FAA certificated Part 145 repair station, and our current capabilities include the Schweitzer 300, the Bell UH-1, the Kaman K-MAX, the UH-60, and the MD-500 series, as well as limited avionics and instruments that allows us to do pitot-static and transponder certification. Building on that background and looking to the future of the utility helicopter market, we founded a sister company, Timberline Aerospace, in 2018. With that company, we offer a range of modifications and improvements for the UH-60, as well as many other utility helicopters. Check them out at www.timberlineaerospace.com. When your project requires a helicopter, Timberline can support your needs. Contact us at www.timberlinehelicopters.com.